A boy stopped dreaming because of 5 words that destroyed him. But then another teacher said something different. This is Daniel's story. Daniel was 14. He sat alone at the back of class, silent, invisible. 2 years ago, he had a dream. He wanted to build bridges, real ones, the kind that connect cities. Then everything changed. Math class. Daniel failed a test. His teacher looked at him and said 5 words. "You'll never amount to anything." Something broke inside Daniel that day. He stopped trying, stopped dreaming. He became a ghost. Then Ms. Chen arrived, a new English teacher. On her first day, she told a story. "When I was your age, I failed English. My teacher said I had no talent. Those words hurt me for years." She paused. But then a librarian told me, "Who said that?" Because they were wrong. 4 words that changed my life. Daniel felt something move inside him. Hope. Ms. Chen gave them homework. Write about a dream you once had. Daniel stared at his blank paper. He hadn't thought about dreams in years, but he picked up his pen. "I used to want to build bridges," he kept writing, about connecting people, about creating something that lasts forever. 2 pages, more than he'd written in 2 years. He turned it in, scared of what she'd say. 3 days later, Ms. Chen handed back the papers. Daniel waited until home to read her comment. In red ink. "Daniel, this is beautiful. You have a gift. Engineers need that vision. Don't let anyone tell you can't do this. Keep dreaming. The world needs your bridges." Daniel read it again and again. Tears filled his eyes. He hadn't cried in 2 years. Mr. Harrison's words had weighed him down like stones, but Ms. Chen's words lifted him up. Next day, Daniel raised his hand in math class. First time in years. "Can you explain that again?" His teacher smiled. "I'm glad you asked." Over the next weeks, Daniel started trying again. Homework, questions, extra help. Some days were hard, but he'd read Ms. Chen's comment. Remember, someone believed in him. The transformation. By spring, Daniel's grades improved. He made friends. He dreamed again. Ms. Chen showed him college brochures, engineering programs, scholarships. "You're ready," she said. "Mr. Harrison was wrong. You're going to do something incredible." 3 years later, Daniel graduated. He got into engineering school. On graduation day, he gave Ms. Chen a card with a bridge drawn on it. Inside, "Thank you for building the first bridge. The one back to myself." Ms. Chen hugged him. Daniel didn't carry anger toward Mr. Harrison. He carried a lesson. Words matter. They destroy or heal. They close doors or open them. 5 words almost broke him. A few sentences rebuilt him. Today, Daniel studies engineering. It's hard sometimes, but he keeps going. He carries Ms. Chen's words in his heart. Someday he'll build real bridges. But the most important bridge was the one back to himself. Words have weight. Choose them carefully. You never know whose life you might change. Be the person who says the right words. Your words might save a life. That's the power of encouragement. That's Daniel's story.